Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling.
Hello guys, today my group and I are at Aquaria where we can learn about marine biodiversity together. But before we get any further, let us get to know my group members.
She was on her knees. I cannot get tired of money, but this money it will turn people right in and greedy. I know he's sick of my money, cause every time he calls, he wish that he calls her and sitting in my left right pocket. Watch this, these niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. These niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. I can make the whole crowd watch me, watch this. I can make it move one stop.
Biodiversity, according to World Wildlife Fund, is all the different kind of life that we will find in one area. Therefore, marine biodiversity refers to a variety of life that we will find in our ocean.
Marine biodiversity consists of coastal hill dipterocarp forests, mangrove forests, mud flats, coral reef, and seagrass area. Our country is mostly centered on coral reef ecosystem.
Malaysia is part of Coral Triangle, an area which is widely recognized scientifically to contain the world's richest marine biodiversity.
Our country also consists of mangrove trees that can be mostly found in the east of Malaysia, Sabah and Sarawak. Thus, the marine biodiversity in our country can be considered as one of the top in the world.
On this day, we had decided to visit Aquaria KLCC as the site for our ex-situ conservation to be included in our biodiversity video assignment. Aquaria KLCC is located at the basement of Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre, KLCC, Jalan Pinang, Kuala Lumpur. To start with, ex-situ conservation is the conservation of biodiversity outside its natural habitats, which means the aquatic organisms no longer live in their natural habitat, which is the sea, but they live in an aquarium. The purpose of our visit is to see how ex-situ conservation focuses on ensuring the survival of threatened species and maintaining their genetic diversity.
Now, what are the importances of marine biodiversity?
One of the key roles of marine biodiversity is maintaining ecological balance. Healthy marine ecosystems regulate important processes like nutrient cycling, water purification, and carbon storage. Marine biodiversity is also important for food security. Millions of people, especially in coastal communities, rely on fish and seafood as a major source of protein. A diverse marine ecosystem ensures the sustainability of fishing activities, providing jobs and livelihood for many Malaysians. Additionally, the vibrant marine life attracts tourists, making it a key driver of marine ecosystem industry, contributing significantly to the national economy. However, marine biodiversity in Malaysia faces threat from overfishing, pollution, and habitat destruction. It is crucial to promote sustainable practices and strengthen conservation efforts to preserve this ecosystem for future generations.
What factors threaten our marine biodiversity?
Climate change is one of the threats towards marine biodiversity. This is because oceans also absorb heat. Even a slight change in sea temperature may cause large impact on the marine ecosystem and organisms living within them. Secondly, pollution is also one of the threats towards marine biodiversity. Our oceans has been used as a dumping ground for all sorts of waste, including sewage, industrial waste, and chemicals. People now realize that our oceans cannot survive if we continue to pollute them. Some of the marine pollutions are accidental, such as oil spills from tanker accidents. Some may be indirect pollution when the pollutant from the land flows out to the sea through stormwater drains and rivers. These effects may build up over time and may result in a situation whereby in some countries it is not safe to consume shellfish or fish because they had accumulated pollutants such as lead in them.
In order to overcome these threats, we have a few solutions to be implemented.
One of them is by demanding a plastic-free alternative. As we all know, the ocean, home to a myriad of marine lives, have been facing threats from plastic. Now, the plastics that have been polluting the ocean can be traced back to be sourced from the land. Now, this is a major issue to marine biodiversity because we know that plastics, they do not degrade, but instead they break up and turn into microplastics. These microplastics will then be swallowed by fishes and other species alike, which may be endangered. So, as to not contribute to this damaging activity, we can resort to using plastic-free products such as metal straws and also reusable bags. Now, as of late, many stores have been banning the usage of plastic bags. This is to encourage their customers to bring on their own reusable bags and also to minimize the usage of single-use plastics. Now, slowly but surely, if we keep on practicing these plastic-free alternatives, we can minimize the effect of plastics to our marine biodiversity.
Secondly, we have to practice recycling. As we know, recycling is the process of collecting, processing, and reusing materials that would otherwise be discarded as waste. As an example, we can practice recycling materials like paper, metal, and plastics. We can help to minimize the environmental impact associated with mining, logging, and drilling. With that, ocean pollution can be reduced, which is essential for maintaining biodiversity because the plastic pollution poses a serious threat to marine life as animals can ingest in plastic debris.
Lastly, we can conserve water and reduce runoff in order to protect our marine biodiversity. How we treat our freshwater resource on land affect water quality does play a bridge and the heart of our coastal ecosystem. We can take and integrate watershed-based approach to protect local water supply and prevent pollution from reaching our ocean and beach. All of our homes are either connected to individual sewage system or to sewage treatment plants for treatment and disposal. Both systems operate well when they are not overloaded with water and waste. When such systems fail, bacteria, viruses and probiotic nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus
seep into groundwater, local waterways, and eventually downstream to the ocean. This pollution was harmful aquatic ecosystem, counter harmful algae blooms. Basically, by reducing the amount of water we use every day, we can cut down the total amount of wastewater that we have to treat, which can support properly functioning waste treatment system. This is how conserving water in our home helps to protect local water quality and marine biodiversity.
In conclusion, marine biodiversity in Malaysia is a vital cornerstone for ecological stability, economic prosperity, and the well-being of coastal communities. The rich variety of marine life support food security, drive tourism, and provides natural protection to coastline, making it an indispensable resource for the country. The interconnectedness of marine ecosystem highlights their importance not only for environmental health but also for human survival. By valuing the preserving Malaysia's marine biodiversity, we ensure a sustainable future that benefits both nature and people for generations to come.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky